Hello students, today we are going to learn class 3 science term 1. The unit is number 3 force. Shall we move into the lesson? Yes, force. Dear children, force is found in each and every activities. So when we open a door, there is a force. So if we close a door, there is also a force. If we lift a bench, it is also a force. So that force can be found in each and every activity. Let us see what is it. 3.1 Simple movements and actions. In our daily life, we do different actions such as pushing, pulling, twisting and turning. By doing these actions, we move or change the shape of an object. So I told you children, so each and every action takes place by pushing, pulling, twisting, turning. So this will make the object to change its shape. Change in position of an object is called movement. So for example, if we are lifting a bench from one place and replacing it in another place, that is called as a movement. So changing its position is called movement. Action is the motion which gives the required result. So action is pushing. For example, pushing, it is an action. So the motion will be changed in that. So it will give you the result. So let us look at the picture below to understand the movement and the action better. See what is there in this picture? Yes, the player is hitting the ball with his hockey sticks. Correct. The player hits the ball with hockey stick. Okay children, now see this one. Yes, the boys are riding the cycle. Okay children, in the above picture, what moves? Yes, the ball moves in this picture. The second picture, the bicycle moves. What is the action happens in the first one? The action is hitting. So, the player is hitting the ball. So, what is the action in the second picture? Riding. So, boys are riding. So, these are the actions. Now, motion. When an object or a thing moves from one place to another is said to be in motion. So, motion is what? When an object moves from one place to another is said to be a motion. So, the change in the position. So, it moves from one place to another. That is called as a motion. Now, let us see. See what is the action takes place here? Yes, the kids are dancing. Very good. What is here? Yes, the boy is running. Okay, what is happening here? The action is the girls are skipping. That is playing with the skip. Next, what the boy is doing? The boy is swimming. So what is this? What object is this? Fan. Good. What action does it do? Yes, it will rotate. The fan will be rotating. Force. Force is a push or pull on an object which make it move, changes its shapes or stops it from moving. So force is just pushing or pulling of an object. So just pulling or pushing of the object, it will make it to move. So what is the purpose of force? It will make it to move. So it will change its place. So move or change its shape. That shape will be changing. The object shape will be changing or it stops it from moving. It will stop it from moving. So, force involves an interaction between two or more objects. So, force involves interaction. Interaction means so one or two action will takes place. That is two or more objects, between two or more objects. Force can lift or drop an object. So force can lift the object or it can be drop the object. Without force, we cannot move any object. So what is the main force? Without force, we cannot move any object. So with interaction between two objects, force will takes place. So lifting or dropping an object also takes place. It means that without force, we cannot move any object. Okay. So observation, listen what the kids are doing here. They are playing with the ball. Okay. So they are hitting the ball with their legs. They are playing football. They are hitting the ball with the legs. Yes. What is happening here? Yes. The girl is pushing the trolley. So it is pushing. Here. Yes. The boy is fetching the water from the well. So he is fetching the water. So the action takes place here. So in force, let us see push. What kind of action do the pictures denote? So what the man is doing here? He is pushing the wheelchair. Right, he is pushing. The action takes place, the force takes place here is pushing. Yes, what the boy is doing? He is also pushing. Yes, what the man is doing? He is pushing the car. Yes, what is happening here? Pushing the coin. Yes. Here all the pictures show the pushing action. So all these pictures show the pushing action. When a force is applied in the direction of an object, it is called as a pushing. So if an object is there, if it is moved towards the direction of the object, it is called as pushing. So now let us see pull. Now from this picture you say me what is happening here? Pulling. Yes, they are pulling the bag. The boy is pulling the car. Here the boy is pulling. And here also it is pulling. Here all the action shows pulling action. When a force is applied in the direction opposite to the direction of an object, it is called pull. So, pull is an action, that is force applied opposite to the direction of the object is called pull. Okay children, so when the force is applied opposite to the direction, that is called as the pull. Now look at this picture. So here what the action takes place? Yes, the man is pulling. So in the second picture, what does it happens? So is it any action has happened? Any forces happens? No, nothing is there. It is constant. So any movement is there in the chairs? No. So there is no motion in this second picture. Third picture. What is happening here? The horse is pulling the cart. Here is also pulling. What is happening here? Any force is happening? Any force takes place? No. The boy is sleeping. The force is not taken place. Here what the boy is doing? He is kicking. Isn't it? So the action, the force takes place here. Now see children. Now classify the following push or pull. Now you have to say me whether the action is push or pull. The first one is riding the bicycle. Is it push or pull? That is pushing. Moving the table towards you. So you are just moving the table towards you. So it is what? Pulling. Pulling takes place. Dragging the chair. That is also pulling. Moving a car to start. What is the action? What force takes place? Push. Opening the window. That is also pushing. Stretching the rubber band. Pull. Removing the shoelaces. Pull. Good children. Children, now we saw the fourth lesson. In that simple movements of action we saw what is motion, force and forces of two type, that is push and pull. So in the next session we can see effects of forces and types of forces. Okay children, thanks for watching this video. If you like the video, comment the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you.